Hi, good evening. I think if you remember, few days back only, I told in my video, in YouTube video, that there is no such post or designation in tech industry which is considered as a manager only role. Why? Because going forward, as the AI is inventing many things, then the way currently tech leaders are behaving and shaping their trying to shape their company uh, as per the financial goal, it seems to be that they are planning to optimize the resource efficiency. They are highly believe that their one middle management layer is not giving as per their as they are not returning the value as per their cost. So what does it mean? It means that they have to either cut the role number of manager role, or they just ask their people to switch over from pure management to technology driven individual contributor or research scholar. Why it is going to happen, and it is, as per my understanding, it will be going to happen in within 2 to 3 years. Almost 50% of the such role, middle management role, will vanish from the tech industry. So in the continuation of my understanding, I have just seen that one Forbes news, currently I'm reading that if companies follow the lead of Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg, middle manager are the next layer of victims. And I think Mark Zuckerberg has just shared one mail, I think few days back, to their company middle managers, that either you should now think about converting yourself as a individual contributor, and or contribute as a individual contributor in development role, or you can participate in research role. Otherwise, their role might be laid off. So the point I was earlier discussing, that now getting emphasis more and more from the tech sector CEOs. Next point is, what should we do? Because this is no brainer that later or sooner, I think this would be going to happen. My point here only is that what should we do? Our thought process now should be in the direction to convert ourselves into more individual contribution, or if you want to still want to continue as a technical leader role, then you should contribute part of in part of your role as individual contributor as well as part of your role as a technical leader. Now, which one is better and why it is better? Is it individual contributor is better, or is it technical leader role contributing in both, like technology side as well as management side? So yeah, so my point here and my understanding at this point is that if you stick with individual contributor, you might have a large scope of opportunity you will get, because many companies are moving in that direction especially. So you have a large opportunity available in front of you. The other way is, like, if you want to stick with technical leadership as well as part of your role as an individual contributor, both if you want to contribute, then you should have edge in leading also and technology also. Then after mixing these two together, you can contribute and grow faster. So it depends on you, like how you will want to proceed further. But I in my observation and in my understanding, it should happen very soon, maybe 2 or 3 years down the line. You will see that many management role is either laid off, like it is wiped out from the industry largely. Now, another point which I was earlier making, and that is also correct, that what kind of role, like, do you think that all kind of development role is stick in going forward? Of course not. I think that is also not possible. Many thing is possible going forward. Like the role in especially DevOps, like those infrastructure management, or whatever the use case of development which is primarily automated with certain scripts, those roles are very in danger. Are in danger. Those roles are in danger. I think the first target is those roles. I believe that first target is that role. Then next thing is, as our AI is growing in their capability, the next role, which is the development role, like you implement some data structure, you implement some algorithm, you implement some problem-based solution approach. Those kind of like algorithm building and those things, which is primarily standard algorithm. So if some problem requires some standard algorithm, those are the next target would be replaced by these kind of engines, AI engines, because that also can be taught to our AI engine easily with developing some good models. So that also I think that it is going forward. That kind of a skill set is also wiped out quickly. So automation will take many mundane level of task, which is primarily based on the scripting. The next level is standard algorithm, standard problem solution. So those, all those things which is standardized, that can be like written based on some specs. So if somebody will create a standard problem, write some spec for that, that spec can be developed easily on the basis of, by using these AI engines. So the second thing, I'm seeing it as a future that if you are not building your intuition and at human dynamic level, so you have to build your intuition logic dynamically. Like the nature of human brain is observing things from multiple direction, many unknown source, and then evaluating your solution, increasing or improving your solution. Those kind of intuition based building, logic building is still persist because that is not easy to duplicate by these bots, these AI engines as of now. Going forward, maybe it is possible also, but for now it is not like that. Also, please understand that if your building of intuition and those logic is part of your day-to-day life, then in that case, maybe you can also try to use these AI engines for your improvement, for your overall performance improvement in logic, right? So that is what we should do. So in all together, I can again repeating my word, and I'm saying that please try to involve yourself in a task which is more constructive, more logical, more intuition building, more evolution based. Either it is individual contributor, maybe leading some tech stack, but develop those things by own hand. Hands-on is very important here in industry. Another second point which I would like to again mention here, that please involve yourself in system development in terms of design and architecture, because I am not seeing that still after like all these things, I'm still saying that design and architecture taking from human hand, even for AI engine, is not going to be easy. Please try to understand these are human evolution, human observation, those observation in intuition based, and those intuition based involvement and evolution of certain concept can't be easily taken from human by any AI engine. Please involve yourself in these kind of tasks. If you do it properly, probably you will survive for many long years. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.